Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sekar Arum with NIM 2350191187. I here will explain about the material, medication adherence, and patient counseling. The first about medication adherence. Definition of medication adherence. Treatment compliance is a person's behavior in taking medication, following a diet, and or changing lifestyle, in accordance with the recommendation of a health service provider. Treatment compliance is a major public health challenge in disease management, especially chronic diseases. Next, treatment compliance factor. 1. Belief, attitude, and personality. Psychologists have investigated the relationship between personality measure and complaints. They found the personality data correctly differentiated adherence from failures. Disobedient people are people who experience depression and anxiety more easily, pay less attention to their health, have weaker ego strength, and whose social life focus more on themselves. 2. Understanding of interpretation. No one obeys interpretation if he misunderstands the interpretation given to him. Research showed that more than 60% of respondents interviewed after seeing a doctor misunderstood the interpretation given to them. This is caused by professional failure to provide complete information, as medical terms provide many interpretations that the patient must remember. 3. Quality of interaction. Quality of interaction between health professional and patient. It is an important part in determining the degree of compliance. Improving the interaction of health professional with the patient is important to provide feedback to patient after obtaining information about the diagnosis. Patient need an explanation about their current condition, what causes it, and what they can do with such condition. 4. Social and family isolation. The family can be a very influential factor in determining an individual health, belief, and values, and can also determine the treatment program that can give. Families also provide support and make decisions regarding the care of sick family members. As a result of non-compliance with treatment. When a patient is advised to take medication, this means he is obliged to follow the recommended medication regimen. In this case, a patient is included in complying with dose, method, and time of taking medication. According to Kimberly Difference RPH MSMBA from the Center for Drug Evaluation and Research, that following the rules for taking medication from your doctor is very important, especially for a patient who suffers from a chronic disease who should not miss it even routine medication. Simply put, taking medication that is not in accordance with the doctor indication can make the disease worse of the disease further, as well as therapeutic failure if it continues. Of course, this could make it possible for patients to suffer hospitalization or even lead to death. Factor of non-compliance with treatment. 1. Disease factor. 2. Therapeutic factor. 3. Patient factor. And 4. Communication factor. How to improve non-compliance with the treatment. Communicate with patient. A. Patient certification in communication. B. Good communication fosters understanding of how important this treatment. C. Communication naturally involves the patient participating in interaction, education, or problem-solving arranged by the patient himself. D. Open intensive communication. E. Methods for communication verbally and non-verbally. Correct information. Information regarding medication. Correct complete. Indication including how much to take, when, how long to use the medication, and what to do if you forget to take the medication alone. Information about disease, when and how to use drugs. Information about side effects. How to prevent patient non-compliance with treatment. 1. Reducing the amount of medication, reducing the daily dosing interval, and adjusting the dosing regimen for the patient-based daily use. Provide reminder tools and use settings. For example, alarm charts. Reminds patient by telephone of later to purchase or refill medication again. Developing understanding and supportive attitudes on the part of the patient family in increasing medication use. Methods of providing motivation in dealing with non-complaints. Patient counseling. Definition of counseling patient. Patient counseling is a pharmaceutical service that has an ethical and legal medical responsibility to provide information and education regarding matters related to drugs or treatment. Providing counseling is aimed at both outpatient and inpatient. Criteria for patients who are recruited to receive drug counseling. Patient with special condition, patient with long-term therapy or chronic disease, patient using medication with special indication, patient with polypharmacy, patient who have a low of complication or at risk of endangering their health. The purpose of drug counseling at the pharmacy. Building trust between pharmacists as the party responsible for the treatment and patient. Demonstrates care and concern for patients so they are motivated to comply. Helping patients to adapt to the disease and its medication. Helping patients to adhere to the correct rules for using medication. Increase patient ability and awareness in solving their own health problems. Prevent or reduce problem related to drugs, side effect, adverse drug reaction, and non-complication. Conclusion. Treatment completion. Treatment completion is a present behavior to comply with the recommendation of healthcare provider. This is a big challenge in public health. In several studies, patient compliance with treatment for several diseases, especially chronic disease, is low. Patient counseling. Patient counseling service are a pharmaceutical service that has ethical and legal medical responsibilities to provide information and education regarding matters relating to drugs. Counseling activities can be provided on the direct initiative of the pharmacist considering the need to provide counseling due to the use of medication in a special way. Medication that requires long-term therapy so it's necessary to ensure compliance with taking the medication. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.